for those that are familiar with the Jim Henson film, The Dark Crystal. If you remember, in that there was some creatures called skeksis. If that's the right pronunciation, I'm not sure. Anyway, there is a 3D print file out there of the head on a plaque. I've got one going at the moment, and I've dropped it into the bed just so it will print the head. I have printed it before that. I printed it last night and it took 10 hours. But stupid me, I'd printed it on solid without realising. But the head on it is really good, really good. I mean, it's so detailed. That is cool. So my plan is just print the head bigger than this, and then what I will do is attempt to do is build the rest of it out of clay and other materials. So I've got myself something like maybe a 11 inch figure of a skeksis. I'll enjoy doing that. Anyway, that's that, and I'll get back to you and show you the results of this print probably tomorrow or maybe later this evening. Right, catch you soon. Bye.